Start. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello viewers and dear students. How are you? Hopefully you are fine. Today I am going to discuss trigonometry, that is chapter 9. So let's get started. So let's see the question number 22. If tan A equal 1 by root 3, this one means 1 trigonometric ratio. Do you know trigonometric ratio? The ratio of any two sides is called trigonometric ratio, or the ratio of any two sides of a triangle is called trigonometric ratio. So here tan A equal to 1 by root 3, this one is given. We have to find the value of cosec square A minus sec square A divided by cosec square A plus sec square A. Let's see. If we draw one right angle triangle and put the value of this one in right angle triangle, then easily you can find cosec A sec A like this. Means by applying Pythagoras theorem you have to find out the what another side, then gradually you can find cosec A and sec A. Clear? Okay, so you can start now. Solution. Okay, this one is a right angle triangle. Here angle A, this one angle A, this one B, and this one what? C. Okay, I want to tell Bangla also. একটা সমকোণী ত্রিভুজ তোমাদের ড্র করতে হবে যেখানে অ্যাঙ্গেল এটা হবে এটা, এবং সমকোণী ত্রিভুজ অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হবে কি বি অ্যাঙ্গেল, অ্যান্ড অপর সাইডটা হবে কি, অপর ভার্টেক্সটা হবে, শীর্ষবিন্দুটা হবে সি. ওকে, সো tan A means 1 by root 3. Tan means what? Turn permanently blue, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular means this one and base root 3. Or in Bangla you can say tera lomba boot. Tera means 10. Lombo boot. Lombo means this one and boot means base. Okay, bhumi like this. Tera lomba boot like this. In Bangla tera means 10, লম্বা মিন্স দিস ওয়ান, এটাকে বলে লম্ব, আর বোধ মিন্স এটাকে বলে ভূমি, আর এটাকে কি অতিভুজ. ক্লিয়ার? দিস ওয়ান সি, দিস ওয়ান বি, অ্যান্ড দিস ওয়ান এ. ওকে, সো given that what? Tan A equal 1 by root 3, perpendicular given, base given, but we don't know hypotenuse. How can you find out the what length of AC? By applying Pythagoras theorem easily you can find out. Means AB square plus BC square equal to AC square according to Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Okay, Pythagoras সূত্র অনুসারে লম্ব স্কয়ার প্লাস ভূমি স্কয়ার equal to what? অতিভুজ স্কয়ার. Okay, we have learned it by applying Pythagoras theorem. We get what? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, or যদি তুমি taking both sides what square root, then we'll get what? AB square plus BC square. Okay, AB means what? Root 3 square and BC means what? 1 square. Clear? So এখানে রুট স্কোয়ার এবং রুট ক্যান্সেল যায়, থাকে কি 3 আর 1 স্কোয়ার মিন্স 1, 3 plus 1 means 4, root 4 means 2. Clear? So we got what? AC means 2. Now easily you can find out cosec A and sec A from this one. Okay, so let's see. Clear? Okay, so now cosec A. Cosec A হচ্ছে, cosec is the opposite of what? Sine. তাহলে cosec is the opposite of sine. Sine means perpendicular by hypo. Means some people have means perpendicular by hypo. So cosec means hypo by perpendicular. Hypo we got what? 2. So 2 by 1 means AC by BC equal 2 by 1 means 2. And sec A হচ্ছে কার opposite? Sec A হচ্ছে 1 by cos A. We can write sec A means 1 by cos A. Cos means curly brown hair. Curly means cos theta equal to brown hair. Base by hypo means AB by AC. Okay, so we can write sec is the opposite of cos, so we can write AC by AB. AC by AB equal 2 by root 3. Clear? Now we can put this value in given expression, then you will get the result. Okay, therefore given expression equal cosec square A minus sec square A divide cosec square A plus sec square A. Now we can put the value. Cosec A means what? 2, and sec A means 2 by root 3 whole square. This one means a square, and cosec A means 2 whole square, and sec A this one 2 by root 3 whole square. After calculation you will get the result. It's very easy, I think so. Now 2 square means what? 4. See, 2 square means 4, and root and square cancel, then remaining is what? 3, and here also same, 4 by 3. Okay, let's see the calculation. Here there is no term, so here 1, here 3. What is the LCM of 3 and 1? It will be 3. So if you multiply this one and this one by that one, you will get 12. 12 minus 4, and here same, just here positive sign is there, so it will be 12 plus 4. Clear? This one numerator and that one denominator. So now let's see. 12 minus 4 means 8. 8 by 3 numerator and denominator 16 by 3. Okay, this one by that one, you will get 8 by 3. If you divide this one by that one enters reverse. 3 and 3 goes to cancel. If you divide 8 by 8, you will get 1. 16 by 8, you will get half. So the required answer is half. I hope you understood. Okay, required answer is what? Half. Okay, so if any ratio means sine, cos, tan, any ratios are given, that time you need to find, if the question demanding question like that, find the value of other ratios or whole square like this, then at first you need to draw a right angle triangle, okay, then you can apply Pythagoras theorem. By applying Pythagoras theorem, you can able to find another ratios, then you can put the given expression, then you will get the result. I think you understood. Okay, let's see the another question. Means work 2 number. Work 2 number, page 198. Okay, let's see, or let's move to one more questions. Question work 2 number, page 198. Okay, give a, what is the question? If sine to the power 4, this one is very important questions, don't miss it. If sine to the power 4a plus sine square a equal to 1, then prove that, আমাদের প্রমাণ করতে হবে, then prove that 10 to the power 4a minus 10 square a equal 1. This one is given, we have to find, or we have to prove that this one equal to 1. So we can, first of all, we can consider this one. Given, you can write, given that sine to the power 4a plus sine square a equal what? 1. Okay, if you interchange this one right side, then you will get sine to the power 4a equal 1 minus sine square a. Clear? Sine to the power 4a equal, let's see, 1 minus sine square a means cos square a. Why? Because we know sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then after arranging, you will get what? 1 minus sine square a equal to cos square a. Okay, let's see the formula. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, or cos square theta means 1 minus sine square theta. Clear? Okay, let's move to next line. See, here 10 to the power 4a minus 10 square a equal to 1. So we can apply one technique is there to get 10. If you divide this one by cos, then easily you will get 10, because sine by cos means 10. So here being power is 4 is there. If you divide both sides by cos to the power 4a, then you will get 10 to the power 4a. Okay, so you can write sine to the power 4a by cos to the power 4a equal cos square a by cos to the power 4a. Side note is very important. Don't forget to write down the side note. Dividing both sides by sine to the power 4a. Clear? So sine by cos means 10 to the power 4a. Let's see, here power 2, here power 4. So this one denominator power is bigger than numerator. So remaining denominator cos square a. Because 4 minus 2, it will be 2 remaining. I hope you understood. Now let's move to next line. Okay, what is the next line? Next line will be 10 to the power 4a c. 1 by cos. Cos is opposite of sec. So 1 by cos can be written as sec square a. Because here power is 2, that's why 10 to the power 4a, you can write one side note since 1 by cos a equal what? Sec a. Clear? Okay, sec square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a. Why? Because we know other identities is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal what? 1, or sec square theta equal 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Okay, now try to focus on the question. Question is that 10 to the power 4a minus tan square a equal 1. So if we interchange this one left side, then we will get the answer. Clear? It's quite easy. Therefore 10 to the power 4a minus tan square a equal 1. So we have to prove this one. That means you have to write here proved. Clear? Okay, you can try yourself work 1. Do yourself work 1, page 198. Okay students, never stop learning. I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching my video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, do like and share my video. Allah Hafiz, best of luck, all the best wishes for you.